Hello guys, kung gusto niyo maging fluffy yung scrambled eggs nyo, ganito lang gawin nyo. Of course, ayan, I put 3 eggs in here. Add milk guys, hindi naman that much but add milk. So, para fluffy siya. Ayan guys, nilagyan ko ng oil. Lalagyan ko rin ng butter. Yung kawali. So, lagay na natin. So, tingnan mo, oh, magiging fluffy na siya. Here, my fluffy scrambled eggs. Ayan, malambot siya, oh. Diba, oh, malambot.